Hi everyone, today we'll solve CPT Cardio-respiratory series practice questions and answers, and also we'll solve case study questions which will be very helpful for your CPC exam. So watch till the end. Before that, don't forget to show your support by subscribing to my channel CodeMed Mastery, and also like and share the videos with those preparing for the CPC exam.
Let's begin. Keep your CPT book ready. Read the question. A female patient with vaginal bleed due to rupture of the aneurysm is here for vascular embolization procedure. Via the right femoral artery, the catheter is advanced into the internal iliac artery and further advanced into its branches, and embolization coils are placed in the distal beyond third order branch of the iliac vascular family. Follow-up images shows cessation of the bleeding and occlusion of the vessel. What are the appropriate CPT codes for this procedure? Check option A, 37244. 37244 is for vascular embolization or occlusion, inclusive of all radiological supervision and interpretation, for arterial or venous hemorrhage or lymphatic extravasation. So here in the question you can see the patient with vaginal bleed due to rupture of the aneurysm is here for vascular embolization. So that is matching. So here there is bleeding, right? So it is a hemorrhage. So the code 37244 is for vascular embolization or occlusion, for arterial or venous hemorrhage or lymphatic extravasation. So that is matching with our code 37244. We'll keep this option for now. Now let us check option B, 37242. 37242 is for vascular embolization or occlusion, arterial other than hemorrhage or tumor. But in our question, they have mentioned rupture of the aneurysm and there is vaginal bleed. So this is hemorrhage, right? So we cannot code for 37242, which is for other than hemorrhage. So we'll eliminate the option which contains 37242. You can see option B, there is 37242. Option D also there is 37242. We'll eliminate it. Now we are left with option A and option C. The first code we checked 37244. Now they have again mentioned 37244 with modifier 59. Modifier 59 is usually used to indicate that a procedure is distinct or independent from other services performed on the same day. But in our question, this is vascular embolization procedure, right? So here they have not performed any separate distinct service. So we should not code modifier 59. So by this we'll eliminate option C. The right answer is option A. Let us move on to the next question. Read the question. 47 years male patient is suffering from prostate cancer. Is here to undergo biopsy of axillary lymph nodes due to abnormal enlargement of right axillary lymph nodes. After sterile prep and drape following local anesthesia, the physician inserted 16 gauge needles under CT guidance to take 3 samples from the 3 axillary lymph nodes and sent them to pathology. So here they have done biopsy of axillary lymph nodes. So let us try to code it. Let us check the options. So in option A 38525, option B also there is 38525, option C and D both have 38505. So first let us check these two codes 38525 and 38505. 38525 is for biopsy or excision of lymph node, open deep axillary nodes, and 38505 is for biopsy or excision of lymph nodes by needle superficial. So read the question. What they have exactly performed. So here there is biopsy of axillary lymph node. That is correct. And here they have used 16 gauge needles. Right. So according to code 38505, that is for biopsy or excision of lymph nodes by needle superficial. So it is matching with the question. So the right code would be 38505. 38525 in option A and B is for open deep axillary nodes. But in our question they have used needles. So we have to code appropriately, that is 38505. So we'll directly eliminate option A and B which contains 38525. Now we are left with option C and option D. So what is the difference? Here there is 38505. Here they have mentioned 38505 multiplied 3 times. But when you read the code 38505, that is for biopsy or excision of lymph nodes. by needle superficial. Already they have mentioned it is for excision of lymph nodes, right? So even if 3 samples are present, you should not multiply it because the code already mentions lymph nodes. The right code is 38505. We'll eliminate option D. You should not multiply the code 38505. And they have mentioned 77012 with modifier 26. 77012 is for computed tomography guidance for needle placement, that is for biopsy. So computed tomography is performed here, CT guidance, right? So we have to use the code 77012 and 26 modifier for professional component. So right answer is option C. Let us move on to the next question. Read the question. Dr. Nectar performed a direct thrombectomy to the vein by abdominal and leg incision. How would Dr. Nectar report her professional services? Check option A 34401. 34401 is for thrombectomy, vena cava iliac by abdominal incision. But in our question, they have mentioned abdominal and leg incision, that is direct thrombectomy to the vein. But 34401 is for iliac vein by abdominal incision. We have to search a code which has leg incision also, right? So we cannot code 34401. We'll eliminate it. Coming to option B, 34451, it is for thrombectomy, vena cava iliac femoropopliteal vein by abdominal and leg incision. In our question also, there is direct thrombectomy to the vein by abdominal and leg incision. So it is matching with the code 34451. So that is the right answer. Now let us also check option C and D. Check the code 34421, that is for thrombectomy, vena cava iliac by leg incision. But in our question there is abdominal and leg incision. So we cannot code 34421. We'll eliminate it. Coming to option D, 34490, that is for thrombectomy axillary and subclavian vein by arm incision. It is not matching with the question. So we'll directly eliminate option D. So option B is the right answer. Let us move on to the next question. If you want to study guidelines and practice questions related to cardiorespiratory series, then check my playlist CPC exam cardiorespiratory series. The link will be mentioned in the description. Read the question. How many times can codes 38207 to 38215 be reported per day? Option A, once per day. Option B, as many times as the procedure is completed within one service day. Option C, twice per day. Option D, none of the above. When you see such questions in the CPC exam, don't get confused. The simple trick is just go and find the code 38207 in your CPT book. So above this code range 38207 to 38215, you can find a guideline. That is below bone marrow stem cell service, they have mentioned a guideline, right? That is code 38207 to 38215 describes various steps used to preserve, repair and purify bone marrow, and they have mentioned each code may be reported only once per day. Right, so you got the answer. So our right answer is option A. You can eliminate all other options. Let us move on to the next question. Read the question. The patient had trouble breathing for 3 days. Her urgent care physician referred her to ENT physician. The ENT performed diagnostic maxillary sinusoscopy. How should the sinusoscopy be reported? Check the code 31237. 31237 is for nasal sinus endoscopy surgical with biopsy, polypectomy or debridement. But in our question they have performed diagnostic maxillary sinusoscopy, right? So it is not mentioned in the code 31237. So eliminate it. Coming to option B, 31256. 31256 is for nasal sinus endoscopy surgical with maxillary antrostomy. But in our question they have mentioned diagnostic maxillary sinusoscopy. But 31256 is for nasal sinus endoscopy surgical with maxillary antrostomy. So it is not matching with the question. So we'll eliminate option B. Coming to option C, 31233. 31233 is for nasal sinus endoscopy diagnostic with maxillary sinusoscopy. So that is exactly matching with the question. So our right answer will be option C. Coming to option D, 31256, we already checked it while checking option B. So that is the wrong code. We'll eliminate it. Our right answer is option C. First, read the procedure. Name of the procedure: left lumpectomy and sentinel node biopsy. Now, let us look at the options. Let us look at the first code from each option. So here we have 19120, 19301, 19302 and again 19120. So check the code 19120. 19120 is for excision of cyst, fibroadenoma or other benign or malignant tumor, aberrant breast tissue, open, male or female, one or more lesions. Now check the code 19301. 19301 is for mastectomy, partial, lumpectomy. You can see in the procedure they have performed lumpectomy, right? So we'll keep this option for now. That is option B, first code 19301. Now check option C, first code 19302. 19302 is for mastectomy, partial, example lumpectomy with axillary lymphadenectomy. So 19301 is for mastectomy, partial, lumpectomy. In the procedure also they have performed lumpectomy, right? And 19120, which is in option A and D, it is for excision of cyst, fibroadenoma. But we have to code appropriately for lumpectomy only. So by this we'll directly eliminate option A and option D. Now we are left with option B and option C. 19302 is for mastectomy, partial, example lumpectomy with axillary lymphadenectomy. But in the procedure they have performed left lumpectomy and sentinel node biopsy. So we'll eliminate option C, which is for axillary lymphadenectomy. Now we are left with option B, which is the right answer. Let us check it out. 19301 is for mastectomy, partial, lumpectomy, which is matching with the procedure, and we have 38525. 38525 is for biopsy or excision of lymph nodes, open deep axillary nodes. So you can see here, they have identified a hot node in the axilla and at least 2 lymph nodes that were blue dyed within the sentinel nodes. The lymph nodes were excised and biopsy was performed on the axillary node. So it is matching with the code 38525, that is the right code. They have put modifier 52 and 51 with 38525. Modifier 52 is for reduced services. You can see here. It was felt that it would be best to approach the node biopsy as well as the lumpectomy through the same incision in the upper outer quadrant of the left breast. So for the node biopsy, that is 38525 code, they have not made a separate incision. Okay. So it is mentioned it was felt that it would be best to approach the node biopsy as well as lumpectomy through the same incision. They have not made a separate incision, right? So for this 38525, we have to code modifier 52, which is for reduced services. Because they have not made an additional incision for node biopsy. Through the same incision itself, they have approached the node biopsy. So we are coding modifier 52, and modifier 51 is for multiple procedures. You can see here there are multiple procedures, right? That is left lumpectomy and there is node biopsy. So it is multiple procedure. So we are appending modifier 51. And here there is another code 38792. 38792 is for injection procedure, radioactive tracer for identification of sentinel node. You can see 2 lymph nodes that were blue dyed within the sentinel nodes. So here the surgeon is injecting a radioactive substance, that is a blue dye, right? So we have to code for 38792. And modifier 51 is for multiple procedure, and LT is left side, that is left breast. I hope you're clear with it.